Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious bean stew with rice. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite dried beans like kidney or black beans, which you should soak overnight. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper, all finely diced. Don't forget your spices. 1 teaspoon each of cumin and paprika, plus salt and pepper to taste. Finally, have 1 cup of uncooked rice and 4 cups of vegetable broth on hand. Now let's build the rich flavor base for our stew. In a large pot, warm 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your diced onion, bell pepper, and garlic, sautéing them until they are tender and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon each of cumin and paprika, allowing them to toast for about 1 minute. Then, add 1/2 cup of tomato sauce and 2 1/2 cups of drained canned beans, mixing well. Pour in 3 1/2 cups of vegetable broth and a bay leaf, bringing the mixture to a boil. With our stew simmering, it's time to perfect its texture and flavor. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let the stew gently simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. While the stew simmers, cook 1 cup of rice separately according to its package directions. Once the beans are tender and the stew has thickened to your desired consistency, remove the bay leaf. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed, ensuring a perfectly balanced dish. Finally, it's time to serve and savor your delicious creation. Ladle generous portions of the warm, hearty bean stew over your perfectly cooked, fluffy rice. For an extra touch of freshness and color, garnish with some freshly chopped cilantro or parsley. This comforting and nutritious meal is perfect for any day of the week. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Enjoy every spoonful of this wonderful, homemade bean stew with rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.